Select the subject from the Select menu. Make a copy of it using the Ctrl-J shortcut. Hide the previous layer. Name the new layer head. Make a copy of the head layer using the Ctrl-J shortcut and move it to the bottom of the head layer. Increase the size by using the shortcut keys Ctrl-T and pressing the Alt key. Reduce the opacity of the layer. Add a solid color layer from the bottom of the Layers panel. Select the color of the layer. Select the head layer. Select the desired section using the Quick Selection tool. Make a copy of it using the Ctrl-J shortcut. Name the new layer face. Reduce the size by using the shortcut keys Ctrl-T and pressing the Alt key. Select the head copy layer. Add a hue saturation layer from the bottom of the Layers panel. Enter the settings as shown. Select the head layer. Add a gradient map layer from the bottom of the Layers panel. Enter the settings as shown. Make a copy of this layer by pressing the Alt key and dragging the layer up. Alt-click between two layers. Select the head layer. Reduce the opacity of the layer. Select the face layer. Add a hue saturation layer from the bottom of the Layers panel. Enter the settings as shown. Click on the preview of the face layer by pressing the Ctrl key. From the Path menu, select Make Work Path. Set the tolerance to 0.5. Choose New Layer Fill from the Layer menu. The entered color does not matter. Click on the layer using the Selection tool. Set the Fill No Color and the Stroke color to white. Adjust the stroke value. Unmask the layer. Name the new layer Outline 1. Make a copy of it using the Ctrl-J shortcut. Increase the size by using the shortcut keys Ctrl-T and pressing the Alt key. Click on the layer using the Selection tool. Increase the stroke value. Select the Outline 1 layer. Make a copy of it using the Ctrl-J shortcut. Press Ctrl and T. From the top of the page, set the size to 107%. Select the Move tool. Press Shift-Alt-Ctrl-T key at the same time. Repeat this until the page is full. By pressing the Shift key, select all the outline layers except the one with more strokes and convert them into a group. Name the group outlines. Make a mask for this group. Select the Gradient tool. Enter the settings as shown. Drag from the center of the image to the sides. Watch the continuation of this video in part 2.